If your spouse died, there's a Social Security benefit most people don't know about, based entirely on what your spouse earned, not you. Most people don't know what they're entitled to, or they claim it at the wrong time and lose money permanently. Here's what you need to know. Survivor benefits are completely separate from your own Social Security retirement benefit. They're based on your spouse's earnings record. Even if you never worked, you may still qualify. You can claim as early as 60 or 50 if you have a disability. If you're caring for your late spouse's child who is under 16, you can claim at any age. One warning: remarrying before age 60 ends your eligibility. After 60, it doesn't. One more thing: there's a one-time payment of $255 available when a spouse dies. This is usually paid automatically if you're eligible, but if not, you must claim it within 2 years by contacting Social Security directly. At your full retirement age, which is between 66 and 67, depending on your birth year, you can receive up to 100% of your spouse's benefit. Claim before full retirement age, and the amount is permanently reduced. The earlier you claim, the smaller the check for the rest of your life. One important thing to understand: if both you and your spouse were collecting Social Security, you were receiving two checks. When your spouse dies, one stops. You receive the higher of the two amounts, not both. Your income drops. Knowing this in advance helps you plan. This is the most important decision you'll make, and there's no single right answer. It comes down to one question: do you need the money now, or can you afford to wait? If you claim as early as 60, your check is permanently reduced to about 71%. If you wait until your full retirement age, which is 67, you get the full 100%. But there's a major trap if you are still working. If you are under 67 and earn more than the annual limit, which is $24,480, Social Security will withhold $1 of your benefits for every $2 you earn over that limit. If you have a high-paying job, your entire survivor benefit could be wiped out until you hit 67. One critical timing rule: survivor benefits stop growing at age 67. Unlike your own retirement benefit, there is no bonus for waiting until age 70 to claim a survivor check. If you're going to take it by 67 at the latest. Because these rules are complex and nearly impossible to undo, talk to a fee-only fiduciary or a Social Security specialist before you sign anything. This is what most people miss. You have two potential benefits: your own retirement benefit and your survivor benefit. You don't have to claim both at the same time. You can claim one now and switch to the other later. If your own benefit will eventually be larger, claim the survivor benefit first for income now, then switch to your own benefit later when it's grown. If your survivor benefit is larger, claim your own benefit first, then switch to the full survivor benefit at 67. Getting this right requires knowing your actual numbers. Go to ssa.gov to get your own benefit estimate. For your survivor benefit, you'll need to call Social Security directly. You may be able to start the application online, but most survivor claims are completed by phone or in person. Call 1-800-772-1213 or go to ssa.gov to schedule an appointment. Have these ready: your Social Security number, your spouse's Social Security number, your marriage certificate, and their death certificate. Don't delay. If you're under 67, Social Security generally will not pay you for the months you missed before filing. Every month you wait is money gone forever. So to recap, survivor benefits are based on your spouse's record, not yours. Claim between 60 and 67. Earlier means less, later means more. no benefit to waiting past age 67. If both of you were collecting, you receive the higher amount, not both. The switching strategy can mean significantly more money over your lifetime. Understand it before you claim anything. Starting the process online may be possible, but most claims are completed by phone or in person. Call 1-800-772-1213 or visit ssa.gov. And before you make any decision, talk to someone who specializes in this. It's one of the few financial decisions that's very hard to reverse. A free checklist for you is linked in the description below. Take care of yourself.